Good afternoon already. Mr. Vice Chancellor of Universidad Pontificia de Comillas, university authorities, ladies and gentlemen, dear colleagues, we're about to conclude the 4th International Conference on Intercultural Pragmatics and Communication. We have spent 3 days of intense reflection, dialogue, and encounter. Our meeting has not only been theoretical, but we have also had the opportunity to experience the interculturality of life, thanks to the presence of over 200 delegates from 49 countries. I think these days have been like a kaleidoscope in which faces, languages, and countries have formed a complex but at the same time clear shape of human wisdom. I think there is a universal consensus amongst the participants of the high level of the presentations and web posters. On behalf of the organizing committee, of the CLAN research team and the Intercultural Pragmatics Journal, I would like to thank your participation, with special thanks to the plenary speakers, Professor Wilson, Professor Keshkes, Professor Sell, Professor Recanati, Professor Gibbs, and Professor Giora. Dear Deirdre, Istvan, John, Francois, Ray, and Rachel, your wisdom and insights on the intricacies of language have posed new and fascinating intellectual challenges for us to explore that will certainly be very fruitful. I am indebted to the generosity and diligence of the organizing committee, who have worked so hard to organize this event. In a time of scarce generosity and prevalence of self-interest, I have experienced the joy of how it is possible to work together with a team of devoted friends and colleagues. I would like to now to give a big hand to Sylvia, Liz, Teresa, Karina, Raul, Laura, David, and Anne. I would also like to thank the students who have been helping us with so many practical and therefore important duties. Señor Vicerrector, ex abundante accordis os loquitur, de la abundancia del corazón habla la boca. Y en este acto quisiera hablar del profundo agradecimiento que sentimos por haber hecho posible que este congreso tuviera lugar en esta universidad. La acogida dispensada a nuestra iniciativa desde sus inicios por la profesora Nadia Rodríguez, que nos acompaña, así como su presencia en esta clausura y la del señor rector en la inauguración, son verdaderas muestras de la relevancia de la Universidad Pontificia de Comillas en la sociedad madrileña y española, pero no solo. Estoy convencido de que este 4º Congreso Internacional de Pragmática, Intercultural y Comunicación unirá a la Universidad Pontificia de Comillas a la memoria y el cariño de tantos participantes. Señor Vicerrector, muchas gracias por su presencia y por toda la colaboración de esta universidad en la organización de este evento. Muchas gracias. And now I would like to give the floor to Professor Istvan Keshkes, co-organizer of this event. Professor Keshkes.
Thank you. First of all, on behalf of all the participants, I think I'd like to thank the university for this conference, for hosting the whole conference here. And at the same time, I'd like to thank the organizing committee, the CLAN group, and everybody who participated in this organization, headed by Professor Jesus Romero Trio, because definitely I participated in many, many conferences, but probably this was among the best 3 conferences I have ever been. So thank you very much. Briefly, I would like to take the time to make 2 very important announcements. One of them is about the future of the conference, because this has been the 4th conference, and we're going to have the 5th conference in the United States at the University of North Carolina, Charlotte in 2012. The time is not settled yet, but we are thinking about the beginning of November. So not necessarily this time, but the beginning of November. But there will be an announcement soon. This is one of the things. The other thing is about publication. So we're going to publish 2 volumes of papers. And one of them will be published by Mutant Writer, and the other one will be published by John Benjamins. one of them will be more theoretically focused, the other one will be more focusing on application. And what I encourage you to do is to submit your papers to us. You can kind of get some information about the submission process on the website. And the deadline for the submission is March 1st, 2011. So you have to email us your paper as an attachment, and we haven't decided yet exactly what the title of the 2 volumes will be and which publisher will publish this one and that one, but we'll sort it out when we kind of receive the submissions. The journal Intercultural Pragmatics is always open for submissions, so then there is no deadline. Basically, if you feel that you'd like to publish your paper in the journal Intercultural Pragmatics, please do. And you can send in your paper whenever you really want. So Pragmatics is always open for submissions, so then there is no deadline. Basically, if you feel that you'd like to publish your paper in the journal Intercultural Pragmatics, please do. And you can send in your paper whenever you really want. So we're going to try to give you information through email or the website of the conference, which will be still alive. So we give some information there always about the publication process to inform people who have been here. And again, I'd like to thank everybody for the participation and for this wonderful organization and the university as well.
Tiene la palabra.